Hello friends, now we start new topic, test for divisibility of numbers by chapter 3, playing with numbers. First topic is divisibility by 2. How we can identify the number is divisible by which number? Here we will learn divisibility by 2. How can we understand that any number is divisible by 2? So it is there, a number is divisible by 2. A number which is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any of digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. Let's understand by the example 34. Now its ones place is 4. 4 is even number and it is here 0 to 4. So we can say this number is divisible by 2. Let's understand by another example 72. Here also ones place is even number 2. 2 is here. So we can say it is divisible by 2. One more example 20. Its ones place is 0 and 0 is also here. So we can say it is divisible by 2. Another example 347. Now its ones place is 7, which is odd number. Let's check it is there or not. 7, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 7 is not there. So we can say it is not divisible by 2. 4293. Whatever number is there, we have to check only ones place. 3 is an odd number, so it is not there. So we can say this number is not divisible by 2. Now second rule is divisibility by 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. How can we identify the number is divisible by 5? If its last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Let's understand by example 50. Now its ones place is 0. If there is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So we can say it is divisible by 5. Another example 45. Its ones place is 5 and which is last digit is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So we can say 45 is also divisible by 5. Another example 150. So last digit is 0, which is also divisible by 5. So we can say this number is divisible by 5. One more example 137. Here friends, last digit is 7. So 5 is not divisible by, last digit is not 0 or 5. So we can say this is not divisible by 5 because its last digit is 7. For divisibility of 5, we required 0 or 5 at ones place. 149. Friends, here 9 is also ones place is 9, but we require 0 or 5. So we can say it is not divisible by 5. Another point, divisibility by 10. How can we identify the number is divisible by 10? There are some rules given. If a number has 0 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Friends, if any number its ones place is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Let's understand by the example 20. Its ones place is 0. So we can say it is divisible by 10. 100. Its ones place is 0, so we can say it is divisible by 10. So 100 is divisible by 10. 123, ones place it is 3. It is not a 0, so we can say it is not divisible by 10. 159, according to rule we have a requirement of unit place or ones place 0, but here it is 9, so we can say it is not divisible by 10. Now divisibility by 3. If the sum of digit of a number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Friends, now we have to add the numbers, then check it is a multiple of 3 or not. For example, 36. Now friend, 36 is divisible by 3 or not? How can we identify? Here definition is given, sum of digit. We have to add 2 digit, 3 plus 6, so it's equal to 9. So it is a multiple of 3, so we can say 36 is divisible by 3. One more example, 108, 108. 108, we have to add all 3 digit, 1 plus 0 plus 8 equal to 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. So we can say 9 is the multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Let's understand by another example. 37. Now again we have to add them. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So 10 is not a multiple of 3. So we can say this number is not divisible by 3. Another example, 199. Again we have to add 1 plus 9 plus 9. So 1 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19. 19 is also not a multiple of 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 3. Now friend, divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digit is divisible by 4 if the number formed by it last the 2 digit, ones and tens. Friends, it is little bit same to divisibility by 2, but here we have to find out what is the difference between 2 and 4. Friends, if there is a 2 digit 12, we can easily identify which is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 4. If I write 8, it is also divisible by 2 and 4. But if there are big number and we have to do the fast calculation, then we have to remember this divisibility. For example, I say 124. We know friends, on ones digit it is 4, which is even number, it is divisible by 2. But it is a big number, so we have to identify how can we do the easily calculation. For easy calculation, we have to check last 2 digit. 24 is divisible by 4. So yes, we can say it is divisible by 4. One more example, 1312. Friends, now it's a big calculation, big number, 13,312. It is also divisible by 2. But for fast calculation, we have to find out or we have to check the last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is 12. So we can say 12 is divisible by 4. So we can say it is whole number is divisible by 4. One more example, 1436. Friends, here it is also divisible by 2, but the calculation will going long. So here for short calculation we have to check last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is 36, which is a multiple of 4. So we can say this number is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 6. What is the rule for 6? Let's check. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. Divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 6. So we have to check both 2 and 3. Let's understand by example. 18. Friends, one's place is 8, which is even number, so it is divisible by 2. For 3, we understand in last topic sum of digits. So we can do the sum here. 1 plus 8 equal to 9, which is also a multiple of 9. So it is divisible by 3. So friends, we can say 18 is divisible by 2 and 3. So 18 is divisible by 6 also. Now another example, 27. Now one's place is 7, which is odd number. So we can say it is not divisible by 2. Let's check for 3. So we have to do the sum here. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So we can say it is divisible by 3. But friends, according to the rule, a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So we can say 27 is not divisible by 6, because it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3 only. So we can say 18 is divisible by 2 and 3, so 18 is divisible by 6 also. Now friends, we go for the another rules. Divisibility by 8. If a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8, if the number formed by the last 3 digits, friends, whatever number is there, we have to remember last 3 digits is divisible by 8 or not. For example, 9216. Friends, last one's digit is 6, which is even number, it is divisible by 2. So we can say this number is divisible by 2. Last 2 digit is divisible by 4. So we can say whole number is divisible by 4. But friends, we have to minimize the calculation. We have to do the immediate action for the calculation. That's why we are learning the divisibility test. So now we have to think about last 3 digits. 216. We have to check 216 is divisible by 8 or not. Eight 2 ja 16, 5. 8 7 ja 56. So it is, this number is divisible by 8. Then again we have to check 9640. Now this number is also divisible by 2, because last one's place digit is 0, last 2 digit is 40, which is also divisible by 4. But to minimize the calculation, we are learning these rules. So let's check for the 3 digit, which is divisible by 8 or not. So 640 divided by 8. So 8 8 ja 64. So this number is also divisible by 8. Or any number whose last 3 digit is 0, which is divisible by 8. Please remember, whose last 3 digit is 0, which is divisible by 8. So we can say 8 1 ja 8, 2, then we have to take the 0, 8 2 ja 16, minus, then we can find out 4, then we have to take the 0, 8 5 ja 40. Another 4000, 8 5 ja 40, then we have to take 2 0 here. So we can say if the last 3 digit is 0, so it is divisible by 8. Now the next rule is divisibility by 9. How can you identify the number is divisible by 9? So there is a rule, a number is divisible by 9 if sum of all digit is divisible by 9. Earlier we studied for the 3. Same procedure we have to follow here. For divisibility by 3 we had done the sum of all the digit. Here also we have to do the sum of all digit. For example, 7 0 2. So sum of all digit is 7 plus 0 plus 2 equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Another example, 1332. A number is divisible by 9. Let's check. Sum of all is digit 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So we can say if the sum of all digit is divisible by 9, so number is divisible by 9. Now rule for the 11, divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 when the difference of sum of the odd place digits and sum of the even place digits of the number difference is 0 divisible by 11. Friends, we have to solve by the one example. For example, one number is 308. So it is divisible by 11 or not? Let's check by this definition. When the difference of sum of the odd places. Now here odd places is this one and this one. This is even place. So sum of the odd places and sum of the even places. So odd places 3 plus 8 equal to 11, and sum of the even place is only 0, so we can say even place 0. Now if the difference between them is 0 or divisible of 11, then we can say this number is divisible by 11. So let's check. Difference is 11 minus 0. So 11 minus 0 equal to 11. So we can say this number is divisible by 11. So 308 is divisible by 11. Let's understand by another example. One number 1331. Friends, here we have to find out the odd places and even places. So odd places are this one, 1 2 3. So this one, 2 and 4. So this is even place, this is also even place. So now we have to do the sum of odd places. So sum of odd places, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and sum of even place, 3 plus 1, or we can say 1 plus 3. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now friends, difference is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. And if the number difference is 0 or divisible of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So we can say result is 0. So this number is divisible by 11. Let's understand by another example. Six one eight zero nine, a number is there. Let's check the odd places. So this one is odd places 1, 2, 3. This one is odd places 4 and 5. So this is odd places. This one and this one is even place. So now we have to do the sum of odd place. Nine plus 8 plus 6. So 9, 8, 17 or 6, 23. Now sum of even places. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now difference is 23 minus 1 equal to 22. And friends, 22 is the multiple of 11, or 22 is divisible by 11. So we can say this number is divisible by 11. Now friends, last topic, divisibility by 7. Let's understand by the few steps. Take the last digit of given number, double the last digit, then subtract it from rest of the number if the resulting number is evenly divisible by 7. Let's understand by example 203. Now first step is take the last digit of given number. Last digit is 3. Double the last digit. So we have to double the last digit. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then subtract it from the rest of the number. Rest of the number is 20. So we have to subtract this number from the rest of the number. So 20 minus 6 equal to 14. So 14 is divisible by 7. So we can say this number is divisible by 7. Let's understand another example. Let's take on number 91. Now as per the step, take the last digit of given number. Last digit 1. Then we have to double the last digit. Is 2 into 1 equal to 2. Then subtract it from the rest of the number. Rest of the number means 9. We have to subtract 2 from 9. So 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So 7 is divisible by 7. So we can say this number is divisible by 7. Now we go for the exercise 3.3. Thank you.